Yeah, you guys, that's right. I'm not wearing a bra. I'm starting off this video not wearing a bra because you already saw the cover, the thumbnail. It's about getting upgraded to one of the finest high quality bra companies, you guys. And I'm gonna try them on because you see I'm not wearing one, so I need to show you guys how it lifts these up, how it just makes them more perked and just more natural, and it's the healthy way to go. So this company reached out to me to do a collaboration, and that's what I'm going to do for you guys is a product review on their wonderful bra collection. They sent me 2 amazing bras, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how these bras fit, how they just make my breasts look like a piece of heaven. Not gonna lie, I wish I had somebody to help me pin this up, but I guess I don't, so it's all good. I think there we go. Ooh, that feels nice. Perfect. Look at that, you guys. You cannot lie that this is smooth. When you're wearing that full bodysuit or that tight, wonderful dress, or you're going to the Emmys or the Grammys like I be going to, you need something flawless that you cannot see nothing with the straps or anything. This is so nice, skin tight. Really like how this is designed. So great. So nice. Oh, look at that cleavage. Yes. Yes. This is really nice, you guys. Look at the back, how well it's designed with this thick band. And not Victoria's Secret doesn't do this, but this company does. Gives you extension. When a girl's losing weight or gaining weight, or she gets a boob drop, she needs that extension. So you just add that onto the back and then voila, you don't have to throw her away. This is great, you guys. The lining is really well made and it's stitchless. No funny stitches are gonna pop out. Like, this is flawless. No crazy wire digging into your boob. Like, this is a great bra that you can actually work out into, like a sports bra. And it came in a really cute little plastic design baggie. All right, you guys, this one is a small, but I thought it was a size medium, but the small is fitting. It is fitting. It's giving me that cleavage, you guys. Feeling like a Victoria's Secret model over here. Even though I'm upgrading, no more Victoria's Secret, I'm going with this company. I'm really loving this. This has multiple colors and there's the price right there, you guys. So definitely make sure you check them out because they have so many to pick from. So many choices. And exactly what you see is what you receive. Like, this looks exactly the same as it's shown on the website. This is not digging in my skin. The padding is not too thick, but just thick enough where it doesn't penetrate the nipple straight through or show it or anything. I highly recommend this underneath a nice blouse or tight fitting shirt or dress. I think this is really appropriate and I love that I can run. It's giving me enough support to like exercise in it, you guys, for real. Not only this company is good for bras, they actually have workout tops that the fabric is fantastic. Oh, it's so buttery soft. Look at that. It's like skin tight, just like Skins. That is really pretty. It comes in all these great colors and that's the price. Oh yeah, and that's the price of the bra too if you guys want to check it out. Ooh, a lot of stretch. And this one, you guys, it's a size medium. Medium fits like a small. I don't want it too tight because then you'll see armpit sweat. And who wants armpit sweat? Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, and it's long too. Ooh, it just hugs and tucks everything in. Yes. I love that royal blue, you guys. This is nice. This is really nice. That's the tag. So no lint bugs. perfect workout everyday top. Gets a lot of great stretch. Everything is tucked in place. And look at that seamless bra. You don't see nothing. Baby, look how flush and smooth that is. And it's lifting. That is good. I like that a lot. It tucks in and sucks in my stomach. Wow. It's amazing. I'm wearing this top every day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love doing videos like this, you guys. Please hit that bell and subscribe to my channel if you like product review. And I'm gonna add a little sprinkle of hair care on my channel. If you don't already know, I have another channel right there that's all about natural curly hair. And on that note, give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys later on my next video. Bye now.